What's up lovely people? So today in this particular video we are going to see how to make a scatter plot in Power BI. So first of all, let's understand what is a scatter plot. So a scatter chart or a scatter plot is a chart like for two different variables. It uses dots to represent the values. For an individual data points, the position of each dot on horizontal and vertical axis indicates the values for them. The relationship between two variables can be observed using scatter chart. So this is the definition about scatter chart. So this is the definition about scatter. So this is the definition about scatter chart. So let's see how to make it. So first of all we will require some kind of data. So the data set that we are going to use for making the scatter chart is a Pokemon dataset. I will be giving you a small description about the Pokemon dataset. So this is the dataset of Pokemon. We are going to use it to make our scatter chart. So this is the ID column, you can say. This is the name column, the name of the Pokemon, Bulbasaur, Ivysaur or Mega Venusaur. Okay, the type of the Pokemon. So this is the data set, you can say, and this is the ID column, this is the name of the Pokemon, this is the type of the Pokemon, this is the HP, this is the HP, I think it's a horsepower type something. This is the attack, this is the attacking rate column, this is the defending rate column, this is the special attacking rate column, this is the special defending rate column, and this is the speed of the Pokemon. So this is all about the data set which we are going to use to make our scatter plot. So let's jump onto our Power BI video. So let's jump onto our Power BI window and let's see how to make a scatter plot. So first of all we will require some kind of question. So let's say I would like to see the speed and attacking rate according to the name and type of the Pokemon. So I am going to drag and drop the name column onto the task window, and also I am going to do the same thing with the speed column. You can see over here a default chart is coming up over here, but we do not want that. We want a scatter plot. So we just have to go to the visualization pane and we have to select a scatter plot. But it's not showing it properly. So some more variables we will be requiring. So I am going to add the type column onto the legend field, and I am going to add the attack column onto the y-axis field. So you can see over here a scatter plot is coming up over here. You can see it. So this is our scatter chart. There are 4 fields that we have to take care about: the details field, the legend field, the x-axis field, and the y-axis field. You can use some other field as well, but these are some mandatory fields that we have to take care of by making the scatter chart in Power BI. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.